Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is a 5-year update on a dude who was 60 when we got a hold of him, who colored his hair. Here he is before. And he was in good health. It didn't look like he was 60 when we did him. And we did a 2500 graft case on him. And you'll hear in the little interview I do, he didn't clean. Yeah, clean is enough to suit me. And I think that sometimes can compromise the results. We never heard from the dude, and he just walked in. I guess it's been 2 months ago now because we shoot these things periodically. But he looks fantastic. He looks completely unremarkable. He's now 65 and did this interview. All right, Steve, how old a fellow are you?
65.
And I worked on you 5 years minus 3 months ago, and
Correct.
before pictures were up to the side, and I was complaining that I didn't think you did that great a job cleaning, and so I was a little worried about what you'd look like when you got here, and you look fantastic.
Yep, very happy.
Any kind of bullshit I pulled on you?
Nope.
And do you remember how much pain it was?
Not painful at all, really.
Okay. Anything you want to tell these characters that might be looking at this video?
The worst part is shaving your head.
Yeah, it is a pain in the
That's
butt, yeah.
the worst part.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you coming in. Thank you so much.
Sure.
What do you think, woman?
He looks great.
Yeah.
I like him with gray hair.
You know, you and I have talked a bunch of times. I think that gray hairs tend to grow wilder and faster than black hairs.
Yes.
And I base that only on me
Yeah, I have to give you an extra haircut for the grays all the
and
time.
a handful of my friends who all are slowly going gray because of their nurses torture them. Gray hair tends to grow wilder and faster than black hair. I don't think there's any science to that.
No, it isn't. So yesterday I gave you a haircut because the grays grew faster than the black hair. You always look like you have wings.
Like the Joker back in the Batman series, you know. he used to think-
Yeah, and it's the grays.
Mhm.
You're getting grays on the side.
And
Oh, the-
you know, it's from stress dealing with you, and you know. But anyhow, this is a guy that's now 65. That's 5 years out from a good case. With might have been a little bit better if he'd done some more cleaning, but he looks completely unremarkable. You'd never know that was a hair transplant, and that means it was a good hair transplant. If we can help you, give us a call.